What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Shawna, and for today's video I decided to show you guys my December favorites. There are some stuff that I wanted to share with you guys that I've been loving this month. I really only have like skincare, makeup, and just like one sweater because everything else that I like will be in my 2018 favorites video, and that will be coming soon, so make sure you watch out for that video. I'll try to link all the items down below so it's easier for you guys to find, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also follow me on Instagram. Why not? I'll link my Instagram down below. And so first I'm gonna start off with like a makeup tool, and it's basically this E.L.F contouring brush. It has like this very straight edge, and I love using this brush for contouring just because it gives me so much more precision than a regular brush. You can just get right under your cheekbones and really make a strong contour with this, which I personally like. It's also very dense, so it packs a lot of product into the brush, so you don't have to pick up that much product than you would with a regular brush. And I personally like E.L.F brushes. I think that they're really good quality. They last me a really long time. And yeah, I just really like this brush. Next, I'm going to be going in with the makeup products I've been loving this month. One of them I actually got for Christmas, and I've only used it like twice, but I already love it. It's the Morphe Eyebrow Kit. Basically, it had like 5 pieces in it. It has like this brow pomade, this brow highlighting stick, this eyebrow gel, and an eyebrow pencil. It also has like this dual-ended eyebrow brush with a spoolie on one side and an angle brush on the other that you can use with the brow pomade. Basically, I really love this kit. I love the eyebrow gel. It like holds all my eyebrow hairs in place, and my eyebrows are really crazy. So this is amazing. I love it. It's clear, so you don't really get any color with this, but I personally like that because my eyebrows are already like really dark, and I don't think I need that much color, especially if I'm going to use like an eyebrow pencil or a brow pomade. I'd prefer to go with a clear translucent eyebrow gel at the end. I also love the brow pomade. I think it's very pigmented, so you gotta be a little bit careful, but it's amazing. It's great for really defining the brows and filling them in. Also, I'm in the color Chocolate Mousse. I also like the Morphe highlighting brow. It's called Oh Brow Baby highlighter stick. And basically it's just like a matte color, but I just put this underneath my brow. I don't know if you can see that. And it really does highlight my eyebrows. I think it kind of like lifts them, so it kind of looks like I have an eyebrow lift. And then I absolutely love the eyebrow pencil. So one side has the pencil, which is this. It's so thin. I don't know if you guys can even see that. It is so thin. Now, I personally like a thinner eyebrow pencil just because like I said, I do have like thicker brows and they're pretty full, but sometimes I want to fill in some areas that are a little bit sparse, and going in with a small micro pencil like this will just like fill it up and it looks completely natural. And then one side also has a little spoolie so you can blend everything in. Going on with the next makeup item, I have a Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip Gloss in the color Everything, and let me tell you, this gloss is everything. I actually got this as like a sample in one of those Sephora Play boxes, and I'm so glad that I did because I absolutely love it. It's also like a lip plumping gloss, so you feel a little tingling sensation, but I personally like that. If you don't, you might want to rethink getting this, but I absolutely love this. It makes my lips look like glass almost, which I personally like. Like, I love my lips to be so shiny, so glossy. I love this. I'm actually going to put it on right now because I love it so much. I also love the color of this. It's almost like a berry pink mauve color, and I could honestly wear this every single day if I had to because I love this color. I love the gloss. I love what it does to my lips. Yeah, definitely a favorite. Next, I have some skincare products, and one of them is the Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. And guys, this is amazing. If you have really sensitive skin and you want to look for a nice hydrating eye cream, I definitely recommend the Cetaphil one. Cetaphil is really more designed for sensitive skin types just because it doesn't have like any harsh ingredients in it, and I personally love it. It really does smooth out my under eyes, so when I apply makeup it just looks completely smooth, and I definitely think it does hydrate under there, which sometimes it gets a little dry under my under eyes. So this is why I really do love this product. Next I have this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Whipped Body Balm. And this is brand new to the Neutrogena Hydra Boost line. Now I actually don't put it everywhere on my body. I would only put it on my feet, elbows, and knees. Only like really the areas that get dry the most. And it is such a nice like it is such a nice like water gel consistency, and it really does dry down and gives a cooling effect to the skin. Personally, like the skin all over my body is not completely dry. Again, it's just like my elbows, knees, and my feet that get really dry during the winter time especially. So I definitely love this. It has hyaluronic acid. I already have been using it all the time. So I have a hair care item, and it's the, I don't even know how to pronounce this. I'm probably pronouncing this wrong, but it's the Joico K-Pack Intense Hydrator. I don't know, it looks like this. And basically it's a hair mask. I've recently been getting into hair masks lately just because I feel like my hair's been getting a little bit dry. And I love this. You just leave it in for like 3 to 5 minutes and then you rinse it all out in the shower, and I like it. I think it actually does something for my hair. My hair does look a little bit more shinier and kind of has like a little bit more of a bounce to it. And yeah, I've been loving this product. So last but not least, I have this brown sweater from H&M. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but it basically just has a v-neck, and it's like this fluffy brown sweater, and I absolutely love this. I wear it everywhere I go. I don't know why. It's just so comfortable. I'm pretty sure I wore this in my what I got for Christmas video. It's just like, it's so comfortable. It's kind of like oversized, so it's that perfect oversized fuzzy sweater. I love going out with this. I love chilling at home in this, and it's just like all around a great sweater. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also leave a comment of what video ideas you want to see me do next. I will also be uploading a 2018 favorites video as well, so make sure you watch out for that video. And yeah, hope you guys have a good one, and see you guys in the next video.